Welcome back to another YouTube video. It is me, your boy Yungred14 here, and I got another video for y'all today. Now, I haven't posted in a minute. It's because I got my account taken away, but I finally got my account back. Thank you, YouTube. I was really getting ready to just say quits for YouTube, delete my channel, and be gone. But thanks to YouTube, they got my account back. Thank you so much, YouTube. I can't thank y'all enough. But for today, we're going to do a Would You Rather video. That's going to be my first video back after like 4 or 5 months. I can't remember the last time I posted. It's gonna be on the screen right here. But I wanted to do that. So before we get into this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell. And let's get right into this video. Roll that intro.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, try not to, wait.
Are you an animal lover like me?
Let's
play
rather.
Would You Rather Animal Edition.
Yeah.
Here we go. First up, would you rather live in a cage with a lion or in a cage with a crocodile?
What a lion. They're so cute. I don't know about crocodile. They're not cute. Pretty freaky.
Would you rather fly like a bird or swim like a dolphin?
Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird, man.
Would you rather be able to talk to cats or to dogs? I could do both.
To dogs?
Yeah.
That's not what they meant, but whatever. I'd rather talk to dogs because I love dogs.
Alright, would you rather find a cockroach in your house or find a mouse in your house? Okay, ew.
Find a mouse because this, you know how hard it is to get rid of roaches? Like, ew.
Would you rather live in a world without insects or without reptiles?
Without insects, bro, they're so annoying. Reptiles are not annoying.
Would you rather ride a horse or a camel?
Ride a horse. That just seems fun to do.
Would you rather be blind like a mole or be deaf like a jellyfish?
Deaf, because I want to see. I don't care about hearing, I just want to see.
Okay, would you rather have chickens or have mini pigs? Oh, I love these little mini pigs.
Chicken. You make fried chicken with that, you know?
Would you rather have a pet snake or a pet tarantula? Can I just get a hamster?
Yeah, please. Snake. I hate spiders. I absolutely hate spiders.
Would you rather own a big aquarium or own a big bird cage?
Big aquarium. You know how awesome that would be? Screw the bird cage.
Now, would you rather have a skunk in your house or have a raccoon in your house?
Raccoon.
Really not a skunk. I can't live in a stinky home.
Raccoon.
Would you rather live in a world where all animals are pets or where all animals are wild animals?
All animals are pets. My mom would love an elephant pet.
Would you rather have a pet horse or a pet donkey?
I want a pet donkey.
Would you rather have a great sense of smell like dogs or great hearing abilities like bats?
Great sense of, let's see, hearing, because I don't want to smell nastiness, you know?
Let's see how good your hearing abilities are. Subscribe. So, did you hear it?
Yes.
Would you rather hug a panda bear or hug a koala? I would hug them both.
Hug a panda bear.
And would you rather swim with sharks or with jellyfish?
Jellyfish? I don't like sharks. Sharks can kill you, bro.
Would you rather see a wild giraffe or see a wild elephant?
Wild elephant.
Would you rather have a spider in your room, or
No.
have a mosquito in your room. It's drive me crazy at night. Ah, stop!
Mosquito. 'Cause you can easily kill them things.
So would you rather be able to transform in any animal, or
Ooh.
have the ability to control any animal's mind?
Control any animal's mind. I can control a wolf or a cat, dog.
Would you rather cuddle an alpaca or cuddle a miniature horse?
Alpaca? No, ugh. They spit. I want a miniature horse.
Would you rather be chased by a bear or a wolf?
A bear. Wolves are fast. Bears are fast too, but wolves are faster.
Would you rather go on a safari or scuba diving? What do you pick?
Go on a safari. I don't want to go in the ocean.
Would you rather run fast like a cheetah or climb like a monkey?
Run fast like a cheetah.
Okay, would you rather be able to breathe underwater like a fish or hold your breath really long like a whale?
Breathe underwater like a fish.
Would you rather be able to communicate with animals or speak every human language fluently?
Ooh. I'd rather speak every language.
Would you rather zebra print clothes or leopard print clothes?
I'm not a girl, so I guess I have to choose leopard print.
Would you rather have a pet turtle
Yes.
or have a pet rat?
Have a pet turtle. I don't know about rats.
Which out of these animals is your favorite? Comment A, B, C, or D. Alrighty, would you rather bring back the megalodon shark or bring back the Argentavius bird? We could just bring the dodo back?
Yeah, bring the dodo bird back. I guess the big huge bird. I don't want that megalodon in the ocean no more.
Would you rather be able to camouflage like a chameleon
Ooh.
or glow in the dark like a jellyfish?
Camouflage like a chameleon, whatever it's called.
Would you rather have squirrels in your backyard or have rabbits in your backyard?
Rabbits. Easy. Rabbits. I don't really got much of a backyard, so...
Would you rather have a parrot that always repeats everything you say,
No.
or have a monkey that steals all your stuff?
I guess a parrot. You know how annoying it would be
Would
to try
you
to look for
rather
your phone?
live in the jungle or live in the ocean?
Live in the jungle. No ocean for me. No ocean. My camera for you.
And would you rather have a sloth friend or have a dolphin friend? Or have a cup friend? Hehe.
Sloth friend. Do not like oceans. They have sharks and all kinds of
Would
other
you rather
creatures in them.
spend your life with your partner like swans do, or spend your life in a pack of friends like wolves do?
Like wolves. Got tattooed on me, you know? Like wolves.
Would you rather have a pet hamster or a pet guinea pig?
Pet guinea pig. Dang, hamster just got one of them, bro. I swear to God.
Perfect. Want to play the next game? Please? Oh, but let me know your choices in the comments first. I'm super curious.
Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, as I said, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Like, share, and subscribe.